Hey everyone, it's me Ryan. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is an item I got from Amazon. I saw a YouTube video on it and I just thought that I really wanted it. It was definitely an impulse buy, but I might return it. That's what I'm telling myself. I bought it, I might return it, but I just had to get it, unbox it for you guys and try it out. It does come in this little small pink box is what's more important, and it is this item right here. It is the M650 wireless microphone, and it is from the brand AnkerWork, which, if you're familiar with Anker, they sell a lot of like battery packs or portable batteries or like wires like for your phone and other things that are like related to tech. And I really like Anker, the brand, because they were just like, they've been an OG in the space of Amazon. So I thought it was really cool that they released these like wireless microphones. They're priced at $250, but I think they had like a $30 or $40 off coupon. Plus I have the Amazon credit card, so I got a little discount there, as well as I just had an Amazon gift card or an Amazon balance in my account already. Spent around 100 something, even though it was $250, so that is pretty cool. But yeah, so excited that AnkerWork released this wireless microphone, because I always thought it was cool when you saw people using those like wireless microphones that are like, usually they're Rode, or I think there's another brand that's pretty popular that a lot of people do use. And I saw this one pop up and it was a fairly decent price, so I went ahead and purchased it. I want to try it out, test the audio, show y'all, do a little unboxing, and go from there. So this is the M650 wireless microphone, produced by AnkerWork. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, show you what it all comes with, as well as test out the audio and sound quality from this mic. Box has a magnet. When you open it up, this is what you see, and on the top it has some instructions for how to open it, how to clip it on. But this is the AnkerWork M650 wireless microphone. Taking it out of the box, grab the whole thing there. In one of these white cases, there is a cable to hook up to your camera or your phone. I don't remember what this cable is called, but I know you can use it to hook it up to your camera. So that comes in the package, as well as a USB Type-C cable to charge the case. And then also some hair to cover up the wind when it's a windy day. There are two of them, so it comes with two pieces of hair. Also within the box, there's the safety instructions, as well as the quick start guide on how to set it up, how to use it. In the other box, let's see what we have here. So in the other box, we have a leather bag. Looks like to hold the case and to hold all the other good things. The leather bag actually does come with couple of pockets, so a couple of side pockets and then the big pocket, so that's pretty cool to hold everything that's in the box. Into the item itself, the wireless mic, I get to take off the plastic wrap. It just slides right off. And so this is the AnkerWork M650 wireless microphone. I got it in the black. It has black and gold accents, or black and bronze accents. There is also a white and gold version. I decided to get the black just because I think the black blends in with more darker colors, which is a lot of the apparel that I wear is darker colors. So I decided to go with the black AnkerWork microphones instead of the white ones. Right here you can see the USB Type-C port to charge the entirety of the case, but similar to AirPods, you just open it up and here you go. So you have the two microphones, as well as the I don't know what to call this, but the transmitter or receiver that receives the audio. And when you pull it out, it is just a square, has the branding on the top. Let's see if it will focus. AnkerWork branding on the top, screen right here, and then on this side it has room for the adapters, so it comes with two adapters. There is the Type-C adapter for Type-C devices, as well as a Lightning adapter. So if you want to plug this into your phone and then plug the transmitter or receiver into your phone, you can record audio directly to and from your phone. So it comes with the two adapters, and then here is the microphone. Let's see if I can turn these on. So I have it on right here. It's asking for my language. I'm going to click English. It says swipe down to set up RX, swipe right to set up TX1, swipe left to set up TX2, and swipe up to sync TX1 and 2. So I think I will set up one of the TXs, which would be one of these mics. I just had to figure out which one this one is. Alright, so this is set up. You can see it's connected because on the monitor it is going up and down as I talk into the mic. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but you can see that I am currently using this, and you can see that I'm talking into the mic and the audio is going. So what I'm going to do now is set up the camera. I'm going to remove the current mic that I'm using, which is the Rode Wireless Go, and plug it into this bad boy and talk into the mic. So again, this is me using the Rode Wireless Go microphone, and I'm going to cut and start using the AnkerWork M650 microphone. Okay. So I am not able to see the sound volumes because the way you hook up the ZV-1 or my camera on the mount to the microphone, it's backwards, so I'm not able to see the volume levels going up and down, but I'm just going to assume that it is working. I think on screen I can see the volumes going up and down, but hopefully it is picking up the microphone, the M650 Anker microphone, and that you can tell the quality difference compared to the previous Rode mic that I was using before. Now I am using the AnkerWork M650. And to better try it out, let's see if I just leave the mic close to the camera and walk away. Can you still hear me? Does it make a difference? Like, am I farther away? Does it sound farther away? And then I'm going to pick up the mic and talk into the mic. So can you hear me still regularly as I'm walking far away, testing the audio quality, and the microphone quality, I mean, from this distance? Does it still sound the same? Does it still sound like I'm near you using this mic? So yeah, I tested out the audio. I think I was talking a bit too much into the microphone, so it did sound a little scuffed. But overall, I think it was working. As I was walking backwards, it did sound more faint, but then when I picked up the mic and walked backwards with it, it did sound fairly good. Anyways, let me know what y'all think down below in terms of the quality of the sound, the quality of the microphone, any of that good stuff, as well as if you want me to do any test using this microphone. I know it can go up to like 200 meters, so if you want me to do a distance test or do these tests in a different kind of environment, because currently I'm just in my room, it's pretty quiet, but if you wanted me to test out different audio settings in terms of like noise suppression, if you wanted me to try these out in a more crowded space where lots of people are talking, or maybe there's cars going around or airplanes going around, I can do that with because I know there's two types of levels to the noise suppression. There's the low level, and then there's the complete suppression level, which I can test out both of those if y'all are interested down below. Anyways, thanks for watching, and that's my review of the AnkerWork M650 wireless microphones. Also, it did come with these two badges or covers for the microphone, so it does come with these stock black ones. I think I can slide these off. Alright, so here you can see that I took off the cover so you can just see the microphone directly, or the internals of the microphone. You kind of just twist it off like a circle. I have to use both hands, but here's the gold one. I can put the gold one on here and then twist it in. Here it is with the gold cover. Just had to put the circle on and then twist it a little bit and it locks in. Pretty simple. So I'd probably just leave the black covers on, but again, it does come with the gold cover and this like emerald color. Hard to pick up on the camera, but it's an emerald. Just want to point those two things out.